Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome to the Spiegel on Scraps YouTube hop. Basically, our goal today is to share with you how we do a certain technique to get sequins on our layouts. So my technique for you today is so super simple, but it makes a really cool effect and gives it lots of really neat texture. And that is to simply take a shape, take wherever you want to do, add a whole whack of wet glue. That's the trick, is you've got to use wet glue and go ahead and slab it on, and then you just sprinkle your sequins, pat that down, let it dry, tip your layout and go like this. Make sure all of the ones that want to fall off, you let them fall off. Don't worry about the fact that if there's spaces or anything, and then you can go back in and fill in whatever spaces there are if it bothers you or if you notice them. Seriously, you cannot get any simpler than that. You need to make sure you have a good glue that will actually stick to the sequins. That's really the only thing. I think most scrapbooking glue works just fine. And it's fun to do it in a certain shape. I've done it in that. I've done it where I've kind of made a fun little messy design with sequins and then placed a cut file on top of it before. There's multiple ways to go ahead and do it, but it's really fun. And this particular one, it totally took in a whole new element into this fun design that was a design pre-made for a class I took from Christina, who is a fellow sparkler. And I just loved how it brought in all the colors, so I could add all the other colors in with everything else, and it just worked perfectly. The layout itself is documenting our first couple days on the farm from when we moved, and I love them. I just grabbed 3 of my favorites, so there's kind of representing my whole family in here. So there's Jackson and Nora sitting on a tractor, me and my little favorite spot, that is our window seat that we so love, and then this is Sean and Barrett walking. We were walking the field. We do this almost nightly as long as it's not raining. And then I just titled it Farm Life. I had a little butterfly, a little cut file, the tag, a little strip of washi tape down at the bottom, and so you could see the colors represented, I put a couple sequins down at the bottom there. So that is my layout. Like I said, guys, nothing complicated about it, but it's a fun one, and I think people forget about it. So make sure you check that out. Please make sure you hop along and check out everyone else's amazing techniques and layouts today. And if you are wanting to purchase them, you're going to hear it from all of us, but all you ever have to do is use one of our names and 15. So mine is Christy15, and you can get yourself 15% off in the shop. The new sequins for July, the pre-releases have been showcased. They were gorgeous. I think they might be out now by the time this is out. So make sure you get your hands on them because they're amazing. Jody is just knocking it out of the park month after month. So, all right, guys, this is my layout. That's my technique. Have a fabulous day. Bye.